Are you thinking about buying the SakerPlus Steam Cleaner? Before you spend your money, let's talk about what this product claims and what people are actually saying about it. So on paper, the SakerPlus Steam Cleaner sounds like a dream. It's compact, easy to carry, and comes with a non-slip handle and a long spray gun and power cord, great for single-person cleaning. It promises 2,500 watts of power, heats up in 10 seconds, and blasts away dirt and grease with 229 pF high-pressure steam. It also offers adjustable speeds, multiple brush heads for different cleaning tasks, and a large capacity water tank so you don't have to keep refilling it. Sounds amazing, right? And to be fair, one green flag is that this product is listed on various reputable platforms, which usually adds some credibility. But here's where things start to get a little sketchy. The prices for the SakerPlus Steam Cleaner vary wildly from one platform to another. In some places, it's priced as high as $80 or more, while on wholesale sites like Alibaba, the exact same product is listed for under $20. That kind of price gap definitely raises some eyebrows. Now let's talk reviews. Surprisingly, there aren't any real customer reviews on most of the platforms selling it. That's unusual for a cleaning device that's supposedly this popular. However, we did find some reviews on Trustpilot, and unfortunately, they're mostly negative. People have reported delayed or missing deliveries, broken packaging, missing parts, and unresponsive customer service. One customer said their order was marked delivered, but never showed up. Another said the product was so weak it couldn't even blow away leaves. And the worst part, many of them said they never got any useful response from SakerPlus after contacting them. So while the product looks good on the surface, these red flags are hard to ignore. The inconsistent pricing, lack of reviews on trusted sites, and all the complaints about missing parts, poor performance, and horrible customer service, it just doesn't inspire confidence. At the end of the day, it's your money. But based on what we've seen, I'd say it's better to stick with a more reputable brand this time. There are plenty of steam cleaners out there with solid reviews and good customer support. SakerPlus might not be a total scam, but there are just too many risks to recommend it confidently right now.